Hi, I'm Robert Foster. We're talking about a very serious, life-threatening situation that's hurting children all over the world today. It's not poverty, it's not AIDS, it's much worse. It's wheezing. It's something that plagues and affects millions of children around the world each year, and it's something that so far has gone neglected by the world community. We're going to look in on some children today who have this horrible, life-threatening problem. Do you see that number flashing on your screen? That's the number of children that have been wheezing since this commercial started. With the help of your funds and donations, we can get life-saving products like antihistamines, cough suppressants, and inhalers to dying children like these. You know, and so many children will be saved with what we do, but some like this one here are destined to die a slow death.
I'm gonna die?
I'm sorry, you really are gonna die. Honestly, can you really look into the face of a wheezing child and not help and give life support help? If you can call this number, you can change a wheezing life. It's 1-800-HEAL-THE-WHEEZERS. That's 1-800, if you have a touch-tone phone, 4963-127-648-12, extension A169, 72-cb.com.org. Also, with your gift of $500 or more, we will give you a CD by the band Wheezer, which has been helping us with this project. And I just want to remind you in closing, my name is Robert Forrester. I'm not just the president of the company, I'm a Wheezer too. Thank you.